Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Empower Multimedia. If you like this type of content, please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. So today, we're going to be talking about how to get into the marketing sector and learn marketing. So this video will be more tailored towards people that are either A, know nothing about marketing, want to know, B, if you got a degree in something else and you're very interested in marketing and potentially getting a job in marketing, whether it's in social media, whether it's in email marketing, branding, etc., or C, you're in marketing already and you just want to kind of beef up your skill sets to make yourself look above and beyond the other competition out there, because the competition is definitely ruthless. This video is for you. So we're going to be talking about Hubspot Certifications, and you might know about HubSpot already. The reason I know it is primarily because of their CRM. They have a free version and it's definitely very useful. Now, what HubSpot also has, which I think is incredible, is they have a lot of these certification courses where once you complete it, you get a certificate and you can put on your resume, and it's typically pretty useful from what I understand. I see some people just like on the job market that actually put it on the resume. So it can't hurt you, especially if you don't have anything else like a degree. Certifications can always help. So in terms of these courses, HubSpot has a good amount of courses that you can learn. They're primarily related to marketing, which is why I'm showing you this website. Some of it's sales related, some of it is like their infrastructure related, like for example, HubSpot sales software. But we'll go down the list. So they have software marketing, inbound sales, kind of like what I mentioned about sales, content marketing, inbound marketing, inbound social media marketing certification course. Let's view all of them. Email marketing, platform consulting, frictionless sales. Let's see what else they have. Contextual marketing. I said marketing like maybe at least like 6 times so far. Growth and design. So yeah, so they have a lot of courses, and as you can imagine, like a lot of them are over an hour long. So if you like take your time to, or dedicate your time to learn like 1 or 2 per month, by the end of like the year, you could probably have all these certifications if you really want to. But for example, let's just look at the social media marketing course. So this kind of gives over a brief overview that you do have to sign up to get access to the course. They're going to send you emails. It gives you a brief overview about like what their course is about. But what's interesting is it breaks it down. So there's 8 lessons, 39 videos, 29 quizzes, a little bit over 4 hours long. But the goal after completing the course is it will help you develop an engaging and effective social media strategy for your business, build an inbound social media strategy that delights your customers and grows your bottom line, leverage the power of social media to transform your business and your career, gives you a little bit of preview, shows you the course curriculum, who the instructors are, which is very nice. See what the curriculum is: developing a social media strategy. Yeah, so these are, and it breaks it down how long these the curriculum is. Yeah, so, and this you have to take into consideration, like this is like if you know nothing or you just want to add on to it. I would imagine none of this can hurt you. It can only help you, even if you don't learn a lot from it. Hopefully within those 4 hours, you learn a little bit of something. So the reason why, like I mentioned, I'm showing you this video once again is this is to help the people that want to kind of understand or learn a little bit more about marketing. Now, to be quite transparent, I would imagine you're not going to be able to learn everything, and the best form of action you could do, in my opinion, is learn from here, learn from other avenues, whether it's on YouTube or reading a book or signing up for other courses, as well as, I guess the number one form of action you should do is trying stuff out yourself as in a cost-effective way as possible. So for example, if you do a content marketing course, there's nothing that could really translate content marketing well compared to you creating content, whether it's for like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, even YouTube, and seeing it deliver results that you can show to a potential employer if you do want to go that route. So not just learning, but applying what you've learned to into like action is the best way to form results. So for example, if you learn email marketing and you either get an email service which tracks your like click-through rate, your open rate, your response rate, even if it's for just a month, and it's like outstanding, like outlandish results, like 80% like response rate, something like just wild, that's going to make you stand out compared to the competitors, right? So like I mentioned before, learn some more, implement, regroup, learn some more, implement. It's just a cycle. So with that being said, this kind of sums up my video about just certifications. And I actually have a video about more the websites that offer certifications, not necessarily only marketing related, but it's a broad spectrum, like from coding, what's so on and so forth. I'm gonna link it on the top below and maybe in the description. But if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.